If you think you know how to take care of your car, think again. Today, I'm revealing 5 car maintenance secrets most mechanics will never tell you. Because if you knew them, you'd save hundreds, maybe thousands every year. These are real tips I've used for years. And trust me, your mechanic won't be smiling when you watch this. Welcome back to All About Mechanism. Secret number 1. Cabin and engine air filters are the easiest money grab. Shops love to show you a dirty filter and charge $50 to $80 to replace it. Truth. Most filters cost under $15 and take 2 minutes to change yourself. Why mechanics don't tell you this is pure profit. Same part, triple the price. Solution. Check your filters yourself. If the cabin filter has a light layer of dust but no heavy debris, just tap it clean and reinstall. Replace every 15,000 to 20,000 miles or sooner in dusty areas. Secret number 2. Change your fluids on condition, not just mileage. We've been told, change oil every 3,000 miles forever. Truth? Modern oils can last longer, sometimes 7,000 to 10,000 miles. If you check the oil's condition, not just the odometer. Why mechanics don't tell you? More frequent changes mean more visits, more money. Solution. Pull the dipstick. If oil is still golden brown and smooth, it's fine. Only change when it's getting dark, gritty, or smells burnt. It also works for transmission and brake fluid too. Secret number 3. Brake pads last longer if you do this. Many drivers brake too late and too hard. This eats your pads and rotors quickly. Why mechanics don't tell you? More brake jobs make them more money. Solution. Brake earlier and softer. Also have your pads measured. Don't replace at 50% like some shops suggest. Many pads work fine down to 3 mm thickness. Driving smoothly not only saves your brakes, but also improves fuel economy. Secret number 4. Tire rotation timing is a game changer. Tires are expensive, but uneven wear kills them early. Why mechanics don't tell you? Selling you tires sooner means more profit. Solution. Rotate every 5,000 to 6,000 miles, or at every second oil change. Use the penny test. If Lincoln's head disappears in the tread, you're good. If it's showing, you need new tires. Proper rotation not only extends tire life, but also improves handling and safety. Secret number 5. The battery test trick. Shops often recommend a battery replacement when it dips below 12 volts. But that's not always necessary. Why mechanics don't tell you? Selling batteries is easy money. Solution. If your battery still holds a charge above 12.4 volts after a full night, it's fine. If it's low, try cleaning the terminals and recharging before replacing. Regularly checking your battery's health can prevent unnecessary costs and breakdowns. This quick DIY test can save you from spending $100 plus on a battery you don't actually need. So now you know. These 5 secrets could save you hundreds of dollars a year and keep your car running longer. If you want more real, no-nonsense tips that mechanics don't want you to hear, hit like and subscribe.